Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use the ManyCam virtual camera on WhatsApp. First, if you don't have ManyCam installed, open your browser and search for ManyCam on Google. Click on the official website then download it. I already have it installed, so I am going to open it now. Once ManyCam is open, I will continue as a guest and add the color source. Just you can clearly see that it's working later. If you want to remove the watermark, you need to purchase this. After that, minimize ManyCam and open WhatsApp. Go to the WhatsApp settings, then click on video and voice. In here, select ManyCam virtual camera, and if you want, you can also choose ManyCam virtual audio. Now go to any chat and start a video call. As you can see, the ManyCam virtual camera is working perfectly. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.